What's up guys? So I'm making a coffee table for my parents. It's looking pretty good so far. I'm actually going to use Total Boat Table-top Epoxy. This stuff right here. So I've never done this before, but hopefully all goes as planned. I'll cross my fingers. Already messed up. I'm gonna close the garage. I want to get it nice and still in here. So I'm gonna close it up. Heavy. Honey glaze this thing.
Notice how few instruments are needed. Little more than one to show the speed you are traveling, and another to show the speed of the gauges to show the state of the air systems. The maximum speed is about 65 miles an hour.
Don't touch your camera if you have resin on your fingers.
Okay, so it didn't come out perfect, there's bumps, lots of bumps. So I'm going to go ahead and sand it down and then bring it back up to a polish after I get it all nice and fine.
Frustrated, I've become the one you've hated tonight. In love with every moment, I never wanted to break this open. Now I'm hoping that I could be a mistake, a part of every moment. Driving down the 5 heat of the night. happiness in which I forgive all the mistakes I made. Now I want to see this life from a perspective different from me, and cherish every moment, in love with every moment.
Like it? Want a treat? Want to go to the park? Hey.
What's up, YouTube? Thank you for watching the video. I'm actually editing it right now, and if you made it to the end, thank you. Go ahead and smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more, or you can check out my videos on my page or somewhere up in here. Right there. Thanks a lot. See you next time.